Hello and welcome back to Mersey Beat Gardening. It's a bit blowy today. Yeah, we're in the middle of a storm. We just thought we'd come down to the plot and kind of check on everything, make sure everything's all right, which it seems to be. We're carrying on with the theme of winter jobs today. So we're trying to get stuff organised in these short days that we have.
And it's cold.
And it's very cold. And yeah.
We're getting a bit of storm mallet here, aren't we, really, from the north?
Yeah. So it's winter jobs time, and we're going to do some winter jobs today. I mean, you've started with the bird feeders.
Yeah, well, it's Big Garden Bird Watch weekend this weekend. 28, well, from yesterday, 28 to the 30th of Jan.
Yeah.
Count the birds you see in your garden or on your plot.
Yeah. Or
even in your park, maybe.
Yeah.
Just take an hour out, record what you see, and upload them to the RSPB website, rspb.org.uk/birdwatch.
There you go.
Chris Packham would be proud.
Yes, he would. So yeah, we've got some rubbish to get into the skip. The skip has just arrived at the plot, so
but
we're just
we really need a green waste skip as well to stop the burning, don't we?
Yeah, we do. But we've got some stuff that's been laid up at the back for about 12 months now, so we've been meaning to take it for recycling. But we just haven't had time. So
it's not that much.
They've got a skip there, so we're going to chuck it in there.
Use of our membership fee.
And over this weekend, we're going to try and get the compost bins sorted out and the no-dig beds. We're putting cardboard on.
And we need to get broad beans in because we haven't had time to get them in.
Yeah.
And we need to finish. Well, I need to finish Willow.
Yeah, that's right. So let's get cracking then, shall we?
Yeah.
All right. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I'll just give you a little update into the shed. Oh, look at that. That's just from the last video. If you saw the last video on the shed cleaning it out, this is how it looks now. And look at that, we can walk inside and shelter from the weather. It still needs a bit of work to do on it, but I mean, that'll see us through to another season at least. Yeah, it's nice to be getting in here now. Yeah. Up here, see there? Every year we had a little wren that used to come through there and made a nest here. You could just see some of the remnants of the nest, and every year it used to fly out and fly in there, and we just left it at the top there. Isn't that great? Yeah, in the last video I showed you this photo here, which is actually at the end of the video you see it, but that's actually George Harrison on his plots, on his father's plots in 1962. That was taken. Yeah, he's a keen gardener all his life, George. Anyway, let's get this rubbish sorted. So this is the stuff here that we're putting on the skip. So let's load it into our wheelbarrow. Our wheelbarrow, by the way, has seen better days.
Right, so what's going in
You have to get a new one.
So I get all these down?
All of this is going in, Kat. Yeah, so if I put the
just
camera
in bags,
on
yeah?
Just in bags, yeah.
Lashing out as well.
Yeah. Well, do you want me to take some of this? I can actually just carry this down,
I will.
and then the rest get whatever we can in there. As much as we can in there.
Just leave that top skirt and out, shall we?
What, mate?
These. They're going in.
No, I want to sort through
Sort
that.
through those, yeah. Yeah, I will.
By getting this stuff in.
Would you want to give me that one and you can get another one?
Yeah.
Put that here. none of these plastics, Phil?
What, mate?
None of these? They all
No.
go in.
Just got my gloves.
I don't know if that's gonna... You might have to hang, you might have to get in front and hold it. You got it? Go this way.
Right, that's got rid of that rubbish. If you're wondering what was in there, by the way, this is leaf mould in here. These were just full of old broken glass in the greenhouse and bits of plastic and stuff that we've used on the plot. So that's been there for over 18 months. Now I've gone to the skip, and the only thing to get rid of now really are these old bits of wooden lawn edging, I suppose you call it. They're a bit knackered now really, so I'll go through them, see what we can use, what we can get rid of. But that's a good job, well done. Oh, so glad to see that then gone. Oh. Now at the back here I've got some cardboard that was in the shed, and what I'm going to do with this is open it out, remove all the bits of plastic that are on there, and use it in our no dig beds basically as weed suppressants, and then we put compost on top of that. But we'll show you how to do that. I'm going to do that this weekend, probably not today because the light's going a bit, but I might get it done tomorrow. See what happens. Yeah, toilet rolls, well, they're going to become some brown matter that we're going to mix with the compost heaps as well. I need to sort the compost heaps out at the same time that I put these down, if that makes any sense.
Scrape the rest out of the thing then. Are you putting it in between here?
Just put it down here for the time being.
Least resistance.
Well, this is where you emptied it.
Some more for in between. And then after move it round. So I'm going to go and get another one.